In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable exporting EXIF metadata by default on the GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top left, and then go down and select Preferences. And now on the left side, select Image, Import, and Export. And then on the right side, there should be something underneath Export Policies that says Export EXIF metadata by default when available. Either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.